Hello and welcome to Clean Corp. I want to tell you why you should choose Clean Corp for your cleaning needs. We try to provide excellent customer service. Therefore, our customer service reps are well trained and prepared to answer all of your cleaning questions politely and professionally. We're very professional and a well-established business. We've been in business for over 14 years with a top rating on Google. Visit us online and check out our services and ratings. You can also book your house appointments or get an instant quote on our website. We service the metro Atlanta area and beyond. For your convenience, we can provide you with an instant quote over the phone based upon the square footage of your home and the type of cleaning you need. After the cleaning, we will send you a survey so you can rate your cleaning experience. Filling out the survey is an easy way to give your cleaning staff a tip because we actually reward them just from your response. And also, it let us know how they did. We offer our clients a 100% satisfaction guarantee. And if in any case you're not satisfied with the cleaning you received, or there were some areas that were missed, please let us know within 24 hours of your cleaning and we will send someone out to re-clean those areas at no charge. We're fully insured and bonded and also provide all of the cleaning supplies, so you don't have to worry about providing yours. Feel free to call us Sunday to Saturday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. with any additional questions or to book a cleaning at 404-939-8572. Once again, it's 404-939-8572. Thank you for watching.